I scored 90 rank points in JC, and the most important lesson that I learned is that 100% of your time should be spent either finding your mistakes or correcting them. Everything else is a waste of time. If you think about it, studying is just about finding your mistakes and correcting them until you got no more mistakes, and then you score an A. So how do you actually find your mistakes? Right, the fastest way to do this is simply by doing practice questions. When you do questions, you get them wrong, you realize that you didn't actually understand that part 100%, and that's where you found your mistake. And how do you correct your mistakes is by thoroughly analyzing the answer keys to the question and figuring out where do you get wrong in the question. So all your time should be just spent on doing one of these two things, right? And what's an example of not doing one of these two things is, for example, rereading your notes. If you are rereading your notes, most of the time spent is reading stuff that you already know, right? So you're not actually finding out your mistakes or targeting your weak spots. And that's why I tell all my students at my physics tuition, go and do more practice, right? It's not just about practicing for the sake of practicing. It's because practicing reveals your weak spots so that you can actually target those weak spots. So next time that you're studying, always ask yourself, are you finding out your mistakes or are you correcting them? Right? Are you doing one of these two things?